It's both a homecoming and a kickoff, but Camarines Sur Representative Leni Robredo says she's not here to win votes for herself. In a series of campaign sorties in the cities of Iriga and Naga, Robredo, the vice presidential bet of the ruling Liberal Party, makes an emotional appeal to her province mates. Support my standard bearer Manuel Rojas II.
Kung ang sakuyang presidente, bako man si makaluwas, di man po giraray ako buwelong makakatabang sa Indo. Kaya importante pong maray na kung ako po tatabangan Indo, dapat po tabangan man si Secretary Mar.
Rojas, Robredo, and the LP-led Daang Matuwid slate visit Camarines Sur on February 12 as part of its week-long kickoff for the 2016 elections.
Kaya pag nanggana si Mar Rojas sa Leni Robredo after 6 years, the next President of the Republic of the Philippines will be a Bicolana, taga Camarines Sur, in the person of Leni Robredo.
Naga City is the hometown of Robredo, where she was born, where she grew up, and where she met her husband, former Interior Chief and Naga Mayor, the late Jesse Robredo. It is Jesse that binds Robredo to the ruling LP, a party he was fiercely loyal to, and to Rojas, a close friend of her late husband's.
Na-testing ko po na talagang maray na amigo si Secretary Mar. Kang nangyari po si aksidente sa Sakuyang Agum. Day po ako makaduman sa Masbate, dawa gusto ko. Dahil day ko po mawalat si tulukong aki. Pero dawa day ako makaduman sarig ang Sakuyang Pagmati. Dahil aram ko po na si pinakahugos niyang amigo yaon duman, si Secretary Mar. Pun po kanawara si eroplano kang agum ko. Tulong aldaw, tulong banggi. Dein niya binayaan. Yaon po siya duman, oras-oras, piga-update po ako digdiyo. Kung ano na sinangyayari sa paghanap kan sa iyang eroplano.
Camarines Sur is expected to go for Robredo, but politicians here, mostly those from entrenched political families, are split on who to support for president. When he ran for vice president in 2010, Rojas won in Naga City, lost in Iriga City, and won by a small margin in Camarines Sur. Home to over 1 million voters, will Cam Sur also go for its daughter's chosen partner? Bea Cupin Rappler, Naga City.